Hi everyone. Right, I said I'll be back to do some more. Now I've sat and made this, and all it is a polystyrene ball and the end of a sock, the ankle bit of a sock. And all you do is you cut the sock, you stitch the bottom section, put a bobble on it. These are glitter ones, Christmas socks. Stitch it at the top, but with the thread, and I use pink, but you can use whatever you want. With the thread you stitch it with, where you start and you go round and stop, leave it long enough to tie a knot in it, and that can hang from your Christmas tree. And then I've just done little felt things like this, which were taking off the headbands. I just put them on, and they're nice little Christmas baubles that you can do. See, like that? They're just great for hanging on the tree. Now the other one that I've done, we're going to do the star as well, the one made from wool. But the other one that I've done is this one. So I'm just going to show you how to do this one first. They're what you can do with the kids. Very simple, very easy, and but fun to do with the kids and fun to have on your tree. Okay, so we're just going to do one of these now. Now, for that, you're just going to need some green felt, which I shall get. We've got some green felt. You're going to need whatever colour pipe. I mean, you don't need green. You can do any colour. You could do a red tree if you wanted to. You're going to need a little bit of black felt. These bits, I don't waste what I cut off. We make them into tree decorations. You know, add them on the tree decorations. But you're going to need some pipe cleaners, and I've chosen green. You can do whatever you want. Red and white for the star. So first thing we're going to do is to make the card that's on. And for that, I can use this card. I can use this chipboard. It doesn't matter. Let me just see. I've got a piece here, I think. Yeah. Oh, it's pretty thick as well, so we're going to do this. Okay, so we're basically just going to draw a tree. I only need one that wide. I don't need to do a big one. So I'm only doing small decorations for my Christmas tree. So we're just going to mark it out. Like that. And then we're going to do a bigger one. And then we do a round bit at the bottom. And bring that in a bit. Same again here. You just do it till you're happy with it. They don't have to be perfect. And then the little base at the bottom. So I'm actually going to use my fettling knife, that's what we used to call them anyway, to cut this. Just going to cut it off the board, which will make it easier for me to do. Move that to one side. I could actually just do it like this. Let me just cut into this a little bit more. You know, I'm happy with that. That'll do me. So, save the bigger bits where you can make bricks out of them. That's what I do. We'll keep them and that can go away. Okay, so just save them bits. Now I'm just going to shape this one a little bit more. That'll do. Oh, that went under the unit. Can't. Oh, there it is. keep going round till you're happy with it. That'll do me. I'm just showing you how to do it, like I always do. All you have to do then is to take it and run with it. Right, but now what we're going to do is we're going to add some of this trimming, which covers any, you know, bits and pieces. Let me just get the bigger ones. It covers all your mistakes up. You can brush all the bits off later, don't fuss about them. I mean, I'm rushing mine. I'm not spending enough time on it, to be honest. There. Okay, so now what we want to do is to do the base. And we just give that a little bit of a... now, I used a bit of red material. So I'm just going to do that again. Just cut a little bit of red material. I folded it in half, put that crease in it so it's a nice neat edge. Oh, go away. And then what you do is you just glue this section. I didn't leave this one long enough, to be honest. It needed to be a little bit longer, like a pot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to correct that. That's going to be at the back of the tree. Move these bits out of the way because we want to keep them. And take a trip. I might take a trip somewhere. You need a little bit of black for the front. And we pop that little strip on. Like that. We can just do that. Like I say, you never ever see the back of ornaments. If your tree's full, you never do. Like that. And then I'm just going to do another little strip going across the top section. Like that. That's it, that'll do. You can scrape all your bits off afterwards. Okay, so we've got that. So once you've got all that ready, that's the back bit, doesn't matter. You need to put a little bit of a hanger on it, and we also need to do the star. So I just cut 1 inch. Like that. Little bit of glue on the middle. Cross that over. Do it slightly at an angle. And then we've got space to fit the other bit on to make it look like a star. And then what we do is we just trim them so they're all the same. And then we put that on the back. Oops. Just put that on there. Like that. And then what I'm going to use is a little bit of the corner of one of these. You know? Like that. And that just secures that on the back. And then I can trim that up. Like that. But that's all nice and secure. We've got our little star on the top. Like that. Just get rid of all these bits. You do get blathered in glue. I'm sorry about that. So, then I can use what I've got here, which are some of these tiny little earrings. And I'm going to put on mine at the top. Santa. Reindeer. I could choose Santa, but I don't. Oh no! Let me just see. Let me just see, because I might have a star. I've never thought about that. I'm not sure if I got some stars. Oh, I've got tree baubles, but they're too big. No, I'm afraid I didn't. I don't think. Oh, we got some more there. Let's have a look. See what we've got. No, more baubles, more baubles. No, I didn't. I might want some of that. So, never mind. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do what I was going to do before, just for a bit of decoration. It is just an earring. And I'm just going to pop that at the top. Like that. Because I think it looks so cute. See? Like that. Maybe my star could have been a bit bigger, but never mind, I'm not fussed. Then I take hold of some of these little bauble-y things. You know, like little cotton wool or something, and then colour them. You haven't got them. You can make them. You can even cut this. You know, if you've got that, cut these off and use them, colour them. But anyway, so I'm going to take the rest of this, which had that left. And for this one, we're going to go from there. Just to fill a little bit of a gap up. Like that. And just bring that down a touch. Like that. And, you know, there you go. You've got a Christmas tree. One a little bit more decorated than the other, but, you know, it doesn't matter. They'll hang on the Christmas tree, won't they? Let me just get that again, because I need to put another one of those on here. So we're going to put Santa up there, I think, this time. We're going to pop him on there. Yes. Done from earrings. How's that? I'm going to put a couple more bobbles on there, I think. Just a few. Because some of them look a bit lost. Oh. Like that. Not really got that many colours, but hey. Oh, come here. We're going to go there. 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 Get another white one, I think. And a purple. Let's get another one. That'll do. I'm not fussed. Whoops, nearly lost you, mate. That'll do. We need plenty on them. Christmas! Okie dokie, so that's the Christmas tree. Just do one of those little sticks. I hope that's helpful. I'll be back shortly with another Christmas tree decoration. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.